Alrighty guys, we're here at the First Financial Center parking garage, just like across the street here. And we have this glass elevator here that has these buttons replaced with the chime system, you know. Oh gosh, that floor missing shot. Oh, that's floor missing shot my head. Sounds. Yeah, look at that. Westinghouse. I hate that floor passing chime. I absolutely hate it. Hate it. Let's take another bite on this. Okay, I say please take another bite on this. There's a phone. My gosh, that floor passing chime. Get off here. Showing this view of downtown Abilene from the top floor of this parking garage. Is that a tornado siren? Sounds like it. That sounded weird. Let's call this elevator. Hello?
Hold on.
Got an old building there. A new building from the 80s. It's a nice older building down there. Look at this original call button here. Westy. No bell. Boo-hoo. There's the Westy unlock. Seems like I received an innovation mod sometime in 2000s. Ugh, the floor passing chime now. I hate it. It's like, eh. But yeah, here we won. That's Westy. Let's ring the bell here. I love this bell here. This is definitely original from Westy.
Yep. Let's say had another building too.
Yeah. Funny thing is, that other building across the street, that's receiving the second mod. But I'll put a link up to the video in the cards here. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.